Another week is down, traders, but there's still one more to go until the end of September's Traders Contest. So what's been dominating the headlines this week? Well, trouble continues to brew on both sides of the Atlantic, and the Federal Reserve's decision for so-called Operation Twist to help boost the economy failed to impress investors. But how do some of our traders trade in the lead up to the announcement and just after? Let's find out.
I am a very active trader, making from 10 to 20 trades per day. And I use a very strong leverage. I am a pure chartist, so I usually don't pay attention to the economical news. But I always read the news and take care of them. And when the Fed takes action, I do not trade at all, as it is too much dangerous.
I was expecting very high volatility because of the announcement by the Fed about the strategy, how to boost the U.S. economy. The main advantage of news trading is the potential for a country's currency to make huge gains or losses in very little time. That is, we know, as very high short-term volatility. Within minutes of an economic announcement, the country's currency can gain or lose 100 points almost instantly. So I try to trade with very small stop-loss orders and very wide take-profit orders in the major pair of currencies, such as euro-dollar, euro to Swiss franc, and US dollar to Swiss franc, using the relative strength index to identify overbought and oversold levels in a very short time period. But unfortunately, most of my orders hit the narrow stop-loss order that I have placed. I used the same strategy the next day after the announcement, but I ended up with the same result. So I lost almost 50% of my equity.
So Futures definitely learned from his mistakes this week. Now over 1,050 users are battling it out at the moment, but let's take a look at a couple of traders who've impressed the Dukascopy team this week. Rahul K. Ghosh has been a regular winner in the Traders Contest. September may not be a good month for the Aussie as it keeps losing value against the US dollar, but it certainly is for Rahul K. Ghosh as he makes a cool 436 pips by going short on this pair. Now this trader set their take profit at the bottom of the weekly formation. Big FX trader held a position open with pound yen for 2 days and gained 327 pips. Unfortunately, Duke_Almgilt just missed out on the US dollar rally after Operation Twist was announced, as the position was closed by take profit on early Thursday. Nevertheless, he still made a satisfying 281 pips on the US dollar Canadian dollar. And last but not least, we have Galileo, who collected 306 pips as the euro-dollar broke through the support level of 136. As always, it's time now to take a look at who's been marching up towards those price positions and who took a step out of line and went tumbling down the scoreboard. That's all for today's edition of Contest Checkup. On behalf of the Dukascopy TV team, I wish you all the best for the remainder of the month. Until next time.